AI just made half of my skills as an engineer worthless. And honestly, I think that's a very good thing. When I started building the Untold Engine, I used Claude and ChatGPT to speed things up. And it worked. Things that used to take hours were done in minutes. But then something uncomfortable happened. The things AI was replacing weren't just tedious tasks. There were things I had spent years getting good at, such as writing a game engine, designing systems from scratch, things that I was very proud of. AI can do it now, faster than I ever could. And I watched developers around me react in one of two ways. Some ignore it. They kept coding the same way, told themselves, AI is just a tool, nothing really changes. Others panicked, started questioning whether engineering even has a future. Both reactions are wrong. Here's what is actually happening. AI is consuming the bottom layer of engineering, the implementation, the code that fills the gaps between decisions. But there's a layer above that which AI still can't touch. Let me show you what I mean. When I'm building the Untold Engine, I don't just tell Claude, implement this before any major implementation. I ask it to analyze the current system first. Then we have a long back and forth conversation. We talk about the pros and cons, trade-offs, scalability. During development, I run instrumentations, diagnostics. I write tests, I review results with Claude, and we slowly converge on the right path forward. I'm not using AI as a vending machine. I'm using it like an intern, a fast, capable, very smart intern who needs direction. Because here's what Claude can't do. It doesn't know why the Untold Engine is built the way it is. It doesn't know what trade-offs matters for this project. It doesn't know what decisions from 6 months ago constrain what we can build today. See, that's my job, and it matters more now than it ever did before. The engineers who are going to struggle are the ones whose entire value comes from writing code. But engineers who think like a tech lead, who obsesses over architecture, system designs, and long-term trade-offs, they're about to become significantly more valuable because now they can think and build at speed. AI doesn't replace that engineer. It gives them superpowers. When I understood this, I got uncomfortable, but in a very useful way. I realized that I couldn't stay at the implementation layer anymore. I had to get sharper at the things AI can't do, such as deeper systems thinking, stronger architectural instincts, the ability to look at a problem and know before writing a single line how it should be structured. That's what I have been pushing myself on, and it generally has made me a better engineer than I was before any of these tools existed. So here's the question I'll leave with you. If AI wrote your entire code base tomorrow, what value would you actually bring to the table? If you have a clear answer, you're probably fine. If that question makes you nervous, that's worth paying attention to, because the bar for what good engineering is just got raised and most people haven't noticed yet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out my game engine, go to www.untoldengine.com. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.